versus the Amaravati Crushers and Vizag Commandos. As I said, this is going to be a big battle. Yeah, Jampana and Ravoru Sunil Kumar will be there in the corners, and the trio that I'm talking about, Gopichan Pot.
गुड मॉर्निंग नवीन जी। हाँ, वाइजैक कमांडोज की आप बात कर रहे थे, उनका जो टीम शीट है यहाँ
Right, it's going to be the clash of both Sureshes, Y Suresh, K Suresh. And yeah, I'll tell you what, Noli Teja starts off the raid. He loves to dance, and of course, he's the big fan of Allu Arjun. And there we go. The moment you say the solo dash attempted, not there, and Siva Ganesh Reddy comes along. Ankle hold, left corner, does well. Let's talk about Noli Teja as well, the fan of Allu Arjun. And not gonna happen. That's such a crazy moment, that one. And he was bursting in laughter. That's how. We are talking about the fan of Allu Arjun. Look at what's happened here. In that right shape and the overall career inclusive in the Yuva Kabaddi series lineup. Yeah, because he was running completely eyes closed. Look at this. He was concentrating on the left corner, but suddenly
202 और नजरें जमा करके युवा की टीम रखी हुई है उन पे। और ये देखिए, ये क्या हुआ? गणेश ने एक खिलाड़ी को बाहर कर दिया।
Navneet, you know, as a cover defender, I really like the way he goes in, but this time it was the anti-dash that FIBA Kabaddi series and of course Yuva Andhra Championship, totally 253 rate points. Look at that strike rate. Conversion strike rate is massive. And he keeps continuing what he does best. And the ladies are happy. Narendra, Navneet, he's gone to attack Gopichan Potla without a plan. There you see. And every time Gopichan has an escape route, he's not standing on that left corner. He's asked Phanindra to go on that left corner, even though he's put out like 13 ankle holds in this edition. And because there was no Ankalu Jampana, the ankle hold was not proper, and that's why the bonus point has been leaked away. It's a strategy that Ankalu Jampana what has been inflicted, but the bonus, imagine if Ankalu Jampana would have been there in that left corner, the bonus wouldn't have gone in. Going near him at all. Yeah, very nicely put across, Navneet. Agar, oh, this is a chain tackle. Brilliant. That's the first time. Brilliant chain tackle. Yeah, it is. Of course, Noli Teja. Oh, वो डुबकी भी नहीं लगा सकते ना? डुबकी लगाना पड़ता है.
उन्हें जंप करना पड़ेगा और यहाँ पे देखेगा नहीं, कूदेगा नहीं, डुबकी नहीं लगाएगा तो फिर करेगा क्या?
बिल्कुल
पड़ेगा. कहीं झुकना पड़ता है.
और कबड्डी में तो बिल्कुल previous matches. Look at the coordination that he's got. Yes, it is Phanindra who's gone in, but look at Ankalu Jampano's right corner as Siva Ganesh Reddy is raiding on that right corner of Vizag Commandos. If you go back in the next raid, that at all, because he did not turn towards the lobby. Look at this. Anti-block was nice, but the raider did not have time to turn, and Gopichan Potla will try to clean it up. But Rai Narendra, he's already tackled Gopichan Potla once. And he goes again. Super tackle situation. And he's touched the midline. He's not crossed it. Still the tackling hand will be taken care of. And this is a super tackle. Phenomenal super tackle from the 17-year-old Rai Narendra. He's the youngest player in the Yuva Andhra Championship. The struggle is still on, but Gopichan Potla can breathe a sigh of relief. That's it. He's been hunted down. He's not just been tackled. He's been hunted down by a 17-year-old defender. From Chuda Woods facilities exist, but look at this skill. Oh, chun kar jo हीरे पैदे होते हैं तो ऐसे ही होते हैं नरेंद्र. Wonderful ankle hold.
जी, क्या कमाल का रेड था और क्या प्रयोग किया. ही इज हंटेड डाउन. बिल्कुल एकदम हंटिंग की तरह सीन लग रहा था. और हंटर जीतेगा या
Noli Teja, because he was flummoxed. Yeah, because the dash that was about to come has been told. That's exactly what was being told. Oh, Navneet, I wanted you to be here, and Gopichan Potla does the Thai fly, escapes. Rai Narendra was asked to just check, not attack. He did. Victor of Andhra Pradesh is Gopichan Potla, and of course at a very young age he lost his father. Now that's a very emotional connect, and he was cooked, housemaid in others' work, and of course there was no proper financial support, but there is no support here to Durga Prasad to so that's really rare. Jijaji jo कहते हैं हिंदी में, तो yeah, Gopichan Potla's is Jiju. I think
2-3 मैच मैं पहले देख रहा था, नवनीत तेजा बिल्कुल मैट पर गुस्सा में थे, और ये देखिए क्या फोर्स लगाया, और उनका जो जोश जज्बा जुनून है वो काबिले तारीफ, वो रुक नहीं रहा है. He is unstoppable.
And then they get drawn into kabaddi for the action, and there the anti-block, the push, and look at that escape route. I keep talking about his escape route because in the entire Andhra and Telangana yeah, there we go. That is his mother. Sorry, then Navneet, that's his sister and mother. Mother is sitting to the left of the sister.
का खेल अगर खेले तो 14% में तो आप कहीं पर भी पास नहीं होंगे नवीन.
See, those are the movies which had the capability to go pan-India, Navneet, but did not go in. And every time you speak of Allu Arjun, why? But a wonderful ankle hold from that right cover position. Dinesh goes in deep, is Karmala Dinesh, and has a double ankle hold. And look at the time of God. 11 minutes, almost.
नवनीत तेजा
2 बार ऑल आउट हो चुकी है वाइजैक कमांडोज.
जी हाँ, जितनी बार ऑल आउट हुए हैं उतनी बार पूरा उतारना पड़ेगा कर्ज 15 मिनट में. आपको बहुत रेस्ट दिया गया है.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. And if we can really calls that do or die raid, we did show him earlier a couple of days ago, but again with the bonus point, and they are allowing the bonus to be taken. Yeah, Amravati Crushers, no Noli Teja. Oh, he was drawn to.
मुझे लगा नवीन ये थोड़ा अनावश्यक था, वो अंदर बोनस लाइन के. रुपेश, रुपेश ने भी सही मूवमेंट पर आप वहां धोखा खा जा रहे हैं.
But I'll tell you what, it's going to be the third all out already. You know, I believe this Visa Commandos. Yeah, very grateful.
Remember that?
Yeah.
Oh, what a force! What anti-grosh!
Super raid. Where was the another hand coming in from?
16 and 7 out.
When did this happen? Yeah, it was right.
आज कबड्डी का यहाँ पर ऑपरेशन करते हुए प्रॉपर एनालिस्ट, स्पोर्ट्स एनालिस्ट, और यहाँ पर पकड़े गए.
Wonderful thigh hold that we saw. There you go. Muddada Naresh has not got to it as used to be quite. It's for me 10x more than Rishabh Pant's stump my commentary. A situation, Navneet, the do or die raid is such a pressurous situation in the match, and Mahesh Babu makes it so entertaining. He's mentored a lot of people. The gentleman in the grey shirt, colorless, and everything less, pointless. Vizag Commandos, my God, not even a single completely today in this match. He's a very good raider, Navneet. Double thigh, double ankle hold from that left cover. I don't want too many points because once again Amaravati Crushers have crossed 50 points, and how many times? This is the 6th time. For Ankalo Jampana, who's a better ankle holder? I think they both compensate each other very, very well. Ankalo did and completely outplayed the Vizag Commandos, and they go on top of the Super 4 tree, and they will play another match at 3:45. And remember, the other team also will be watching this Crushers put out a crushing performance.
14 था, 2/14 था, वो अब 2/26 हो गया है.